When I first saw the Guglatech Advanced fuel filters, it appeared that it would solve 90% of MotoCaribe's problems, maintenance problems with the very poor quality of fuel we get here in the Dominican Republic. I saw Dave Peterson a demo on this, and I thought I'd do the same thing to see how it works. So we have good clean gasoline right here.
Yes.
We've got some mud and sand. We got some rust, and we got some water. Those are things you commonly find in a fuel tank. We've actually commonly found those in the fuel tank. We have the filter from Guglatech, and we have a clean container. So Junior is going to mix all that stuff together. Nice, huh?
Nice and dirty.
Nice. Rust, I love it. We've had a couple of rusty fuel tanks.
Oh, definitely. Some little bit of water.
All right, shake that up. Let's do a good margarita shake there. We've never done this before. We don't have any idea how this is going to turn out, so we'll have to wait and see. Water, rust, dirt. How nice. Wouldn't you love to have that in your tank?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's put that filter in there. The funnel. And let's see what happens. Would you look at that? Pull that filter bag out of there. And that's all water. That's just the water and the muck that's still in there. And that didn't make it to the filter. And that's our clean gas.
Oh, yes.
Gentlemen, I would say this is quite the product that I'm going to endorse. So now we're going to put these into our fleet of V-Strom DL650s. That's pretty sweet. I'm trying to see if I can look inside this filter. Junior, bop the bottom of the filter up a little bit so I can see that stuff move around. That's just all the water and the rust and the dirt, and it's out and it's not leaking out.
Not at all.
Okay, that's pretty amazing. We're going to now try to clean this thing out. You turn it inside out.
Yeah. It's a water.
Look at all that. The water's still in there. And we weren't paid to do this. I bought these filters I bought 9 filters for our fleet. Okay, you get the point. Okay, there's the filter after we rinsed all the stuff out. Looking very clean. We just did the test to show that the filter actually works, holding out water and rust and mud and crud. Now we're going to install a filter on a V-Strom DL650. First thing you do is take it out and kind of roll it up a little bit so we can stick it into the tank. Now you can see the way this is constructed. This is, around the top of this is a plastic ring of some sort that has some really super strong magnets in it. You can just touch that and you can kind of hear them click. That's what's actually going to hold the filter in. In the neck of this fuel tank, right up under here, is a ridge. Right here is a ridge, and that's where the magnets are going to hold the filter in place. The filters come with a handy tool to spread it out inside to make sure that it's opened up all the way. The tool is basically just a nice rod with a ball on the end. And once it's spread out, we just kind of tuck the magnets up under the lip of the tank. Now, other filters, other the Guglatech filters attach a little bit differently. This is just for a this is for the early model V-Strom, and this is a 2008 V-Strom DL650. You can hear it kind of click into place there. And that's it. This is installed in a tank that was full of fuel. That's all there is to it.